There are three major groups of regular verbs in French. You can determine the group by looking at the verb's ending in its infinitive form. The ending in the infinitive will be one of the following:
ER, IR, RE.
Since ER verbs are the most numerous, they are considered the first conjugation. All French verbs that have an infinitive ending in ER are regular except for one verb. To conjugate these verbs, drop the ER from the infinitive to form the stem. Next, add the ER endings to the stem. Different tenses have different endings.
To form the present tense, use the endings E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT.
Here is a sample ER verb which means to speak. You must memorize how to conjugate this verb because it is the basis of the present tense conjugation of all other regular ER verbs.
The endings E, ES, E, and ENT are all silent. The only endings that are pronounced are the new, ONS, and the VU, EZ endings. The four silent endings form a boot shape in the verb conjugation.
The present tense is the most important tense to master. It is the basis to all other tenses. Make sure you know your present tense conjugations inside and out, and also learn them out of order. If you only learn your conjugation in one order, then your brain will memorize them in that order. This means that every time you want a verb conjugation, you will need to start from the top. So always drill with your French verbs out of order. And remember, the present tense is the most important tense to master. All other tenses are formed based on the present tense.
Parler. Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Elle parle. On parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle. Elle parle. Past participle, parler.
Listen carefully to the following sentences. Note that the pronunciation of each of the verbs is the same even though the conjugations are spelled differently.
Tex, il parle français, mais c'est un tatou.
Bien sûr, je parle français. Et Tammy, elle aussi, elle parle français.
Eh bien, dis donc, même les tatous parlent français au Texas.
Here is a list of common ER verbs.
Adorer, aimer, aimer mieux, chanter, chercher, danser, demander, détester, donner, écouter, étudier, habiter, jouer, montrer, présenter, regarder, rencontrer, rester, téléphoner, travailler, trouver.
The first-person singular pronoun changes to J apostrophe before a verb starting with a vowel or a silent H. This phenomenon is known as elision. Listen to the following sentences. Can you hear the elision in the first two examples?
J'adore la musique rap et j'écoute souvent de la musique dans les clubs. Je chante et je danse aussi.
Note also that the S, in plural pronouns, is usually silent except when it is followed by a verb that begins with a vowel sound. In such a case, the silent S is pronounced as a Z and links the pronoun to the verb. This phenomenon is called liaison, linking, and is very characteristic of French. Listen carefully to these sentences. Which sentences contain examples of liaison?
Tex et Tammy, ils écoutent de la musique cadienne avec Popo.
Nous adorons danser.
Oui, c'est vrai. Nous dansons beaucoup.
Parler. Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Elle parle. On parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle. Elle parle. Past participle, parler. Parler. Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Elle parle. On parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle. Elle parle. Past participle, parler. Parler. Je parle. Tu parles.
Il parle. Elle parle. On parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle. Elle parle. Past participle, parler. Parler. Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Elle parle. On parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle. Elle parle. Past participle, parler. Parler. Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Elle parle. On parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle. Elle parle. Past participle, parler. Parler. Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Elle parle. On parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle. Elle parle. Past participle, parler. Parler. Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Elle parle. On parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle. Elle parle. Past participle, parler.